Hey guys, this is Mona. Welcome to Plant Therapy. And look what I got. More plant mail. I got this about a week ago actually. 3 plants came from Hoya Treasures. Told you about her before. She's out in Utah. She's on Etsy as well. But I suggest you go right to her website, hoyatreasures.com, to order if you order from her. It's a little cheaper. Yep. And this is a Hoya. Laosa Asami is what I was told. Now, when I looked on for some information online on unsolicited plant talks, I think it means big leaf, which makes sense because for a Laosa, that's a huge leaf, don't you think? And look at the beautiful variegation on this. Now, apparently, I found out after. I don't remember if it was a clone 1 or clone 2. That I don't know, but apparently one of the clones is, and I'm assuming it's 2, is supposed to be more stable, but don't quote me. I'm still trying to verify that information. But whatever, I think I got a pretty nice cutting here. Beautiful plant. It's looking good, so hopefully I'll be able to hang on to some variegation on these leaves. Kind of like a little green here and there too, but we don't want it to revert. Hopefully it won't. These newer leaves just have the elbow marginata thing going on here, so hopefully though with the right lighting and all, maybe it'll give me some variegation on the future leaves, hopefully. We'll see. But either way, I love it. Sounds good to me. Either way, I'll take it. I'm sorry, guys. I'm really sleepy, so. And if you've been following me in my videos, you know that I work full-time, and I'm doing this too. So there are times I am sleepy when I'm filming and trying to create videos. I was supposed to do this earlier, but I got comfy on the couch watching you guys with your Vlogmas and Plantmas and all that good stuff. Anyway, this is, or was labeled as a Velosa. Now, when I look online, they say that it's been renamed globulosa. Now, I ordered a globulosa before, and that's it right there. Look at those leaves. Now that's the long leaf globulosa. Now you see how this has smooth edges. The other one is kind of like wavy edges, comes to a point. This is more what I was looking for because I saw someone's video and they were showing off their plant. Wow, I was like blown away, and I remember the deep green and the venation and more rounded leaves, and this looked more like what I was aiming for. So apparently there was the long leaf, and there's also Velosa Cao Bung is how I think how you say it, from Vietnam. So I think that's the one I was trying to get. I didn't realize. So when I saw this, it reminded me of that video. So is it a Velosa? Is it a globulosa? I don't know, but she labeled it Velosa, so I'll just call it that. And we will see as time goes on. Does it change shape as these leaves get bigger? Or is it going to kind of have that rounded look with the smooth edge? I love this. And underneath it has the same fuzziness as the globulosa. So the globulosa is real shiny and smooth on the top, but fuzzy underneath. Yeah. I'm really loving this. So anyway, that's plant number 2. And the third plant I got, and I've been eyeing this for a while. I wasn't sure I really liked it, but now that I have it, I'm in love with this plant. This is the Hoya rotunda flora. Can you see the fuzziness on the edges there? So I think some people refer to it as square-leafed Hoya. It's more kind of rectangular to me. And apparently it's a really easy care Hoya. I watched Doug Chamberlain. He had a video and his was huge. It was on a trellis and so many blossoms, so many beautiful flowers. And the flowers, I saw another picture before they open up. I think it was the rotunda flora. They have like a balloon-like appearance. And then they just kind of pop open, really pretty flowers, and apparently a nice scent as well. So I've never bought a Hoya with the aim of trying to get it to flower, because I usually just get them for their foliage. You know what I mean. And I don't aim for flowering these things. If they flower, it's a bonus, but I know that some may flower easily, some may never flower for me, and I accept that. So, but when I saw the flowers on this thing, I'm hoping she flowers for me. Now, he said something about not letting it get too hot, which will be fine because it's going to be inside. So, and one he had grew indoors, so I'll take his word for it. All right, so these are the 3 that I got from Hoya Treasures. But I got today from Delaware. There's an Etsy seller out there. Luvstringsgarden is the name of his channel, or not his channel, his shop. And this is AH074 Silver. It's a hybrid, a Carnosa Grey Ghost crossed with pubic calyx. Now, I can't think of a better combination, honestly. Look at the silver on this. And it looks like these might be new leaves right here from the way they look and feel. And they're totally silver. So, well, maybe not this one. This one might be a combo. I don't know. We'll find out when they fully open. But yeah, isn't that gorgeous? I'm really happy with this. So if I can just make sure it doesn't revert, because apparently it can revert on you. There's certain conditions they say that will encourage the variegation. Airflow is important, and initially with the roots. Like if I decide to repot this, which I am so tempted because I really don't like that stuff. It dries out fast. Apparently the Hoyas love it though. So it all depends. From what I read, it's kind of intimidating, but that was one source. So I'm going to go and do a little bit more research about that. But apparently to get the roots established, you have to pamper it and give it what it needs so that you can keep the variegation. So I hope I'm successful with this one. So we'll see. Time will tell. But yeah, so that's it. That's the end of my haul. I do have one more plant coming. I was trying to hold off for that plant, but it may take another day or two, even though he already popped it in the mail for me. That one's coming from New Jersey. That other seller I told you about, Jack, out at Rare Herbs, New Jersey. You can find him on Etsy as well. And someone recommended him to me, a real Hoya collector. I'm an amateur. I'm just getting started, guys. You may think I'm still learning. And, and I asked him one day where he got his plants from, and he gave me 2 names. The other person was totally sold out. So I tried Rare Herbs, New Jersey, and I was very happy. And the customer service is top notch. I can't ask for any better customer service than what I got there. So definitely recommend these guys. This is my second plant from this seller here, luvstringsgarden. I got, it wasn't a Hoya. I got another silver plant, but it was Syndapsis silver lady. And let me see if I can reach over there. This is the cuttings. Isn't that pretty? See how silvery it is? I hope you can see that in this lighting because my lights are kind of yellowish. This was cuttings. I cut off the mother plant. Let me get the mother plant. I think I can reach her. I was trying to encourage some growth, and I did get another leaf, and there's something working back here. So yeah, that I've had for a while. Slow growing, but just like my exotica at first, it was slow to grow, but look at that. Isn't that beautiful? So yeah, I'm stuck on these silver plants, silver variegation, as much as I can get. I have another silver plant coming, like I said, from New Jersey, and I will share that with you when I get it. But I also want to tell you that I'm coming up on a year since I made my full Hoya collection video, which was really one of my first full videos. And you guys are due for another full Hoya tour. So I need to share some of the growth and stuff. And of course, I have a lot of new ones. And I don't know if I'm done yet. I thought I was done, but I keep finding good deals. And I find it's usually this time of the year that I start ordering through the mail as far as Hoyas go. I wish I could find somewhere locally that sold some really healthy, good-looking Hoyas. I'm kind of picky about it, so I haven't yet. But it's getting better. Dutch Plant Farm's been getting some in, and I tell you, if you watch my video the other day, I made a short, and there's this beautiful variegated Wayetii, or what's the other word they usually call it? I can't think of the other name, but that thing was gorgeous. But I kind of cheap. I didn't want to pay $40 for it, but I keep thinking of how beautiful it was. They were hanging by the water, by their little water feature they have in there. If you didn't get a chance to check that video, I suggest you check it out. It's a cute short. It's not a very long video. But yeah, it's a beautiful, beautiful Hoya hanging there by the water that you'd appreciate. Anyway, I'm babbling on because I am tired. If you guys don't know, I work full-time, and this weekend was full-time Nana. A lot of activities with the kids. So I'm tired, and I just wanted to get this video out to you. I am also working on another plant chore video. Hopefully I'll get out maybe midweek or Friday, the latest. That's it. I'm going to bed. Thanks for watching.